Okay, it is thundering in the distance. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds off in the distance. Maybe we'll get a lightning storm or something.
Over that way, that's our east.
That's east.
See, the sun comes up on that side?
Yeah, yeah.
So that's east.
The moon comes up on that side too.
Well, not always. But anyway, that's east.
Oh, I'm seeing something.
Yeah, I'm seeing what you're seeing.
Looks like a...
Johnny, come here a second. Oh, it went back up a little bit.
Yeah.
Now it's going back up.
Yeah.
This cloud, there was a cloud right there that did form a funnel and was coming down and
Yeah.
getting more, but then it went right back up. It sure did.
Yeah.
But now it's gone back up.
The one on the side over there?
Yeah.
To the right, yeah.
I wonder if we should go in the bathroom.
No. There's nothing
Where
on
is it
TV.
going, son?
Should I go watch the Weather Channel?
Which way is it going?
I don't know.
If you
I
don't
told
know-
him that's east.
That's
It's
east.
heading this way, so it's heading west.
Yeah.
And what's that one over by the left there?
That, oh gosh. That looks like, oh gosh. There was a big lightning strike. Uh-oh.
Okay. Look over here at this one.
Yeah.
Let's watch that one and see what it does. That one cloud definitely did do that.
I might could send this to KPRC. Or the Weather Channel. They could get a warning out.
That one cloud was definitely a funnel cloud that came down and then
Yeah,
went back up.
yeah.